Hey screen printers, it's Jeff, the Stampinator, and today we are going to have our session at 2:30 every Friday on Stamp Studio Tech Talk of the Day or Tech Tip of the Day, and I have one for you. I can't tell you how many shops I go into and I see everyone on the floor trying to tape up pinholes on the back of the screen. Well, there's a simple solution. No longer you're going to have to get on your hands and knees. It's super easy, so let's show you how this is done. Right here we have a pinhole. This is a job that we set up that we test Stampinators, and we're going to take a piece of Scotch tape and basically we're going to fold it at the end right here and put the sticky side up, and we're going to lay this right on top of our pinhole. Hands are a little sticky. We have another pinhole down here in the center. We're going to take care of this one too. Holding the camera and trying to apply this at the same time is a little bit difficult. All right, so there you have it. Our Scotch tape is upside down. We have the other one over here. All we want to do is bring this back around. We're going to do our print. Bring it back. There you go. Our Scotch tape's up on the back of the screen. We no longer have to worry about pinholes. So there you go. Tech tip of the day. Join us every Friday at 2:30. If you have something that you want to reach out to us, that you want us to share, Jeff at Stampinator.com. Love to hear from you. Keep on printing and happy Friday.